In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photos with Canva AI sky replacement and color enhancement, 5 minutes. First, log into Canva so you're ready to work. Once you're in, open your existing design or start a new blank canvas. Upload the photo you want to enhance, then click the image on your canvas to select it. Photos with a visible horizon, like landscapes, city skylines, or beach scenes, tend to produce the most convincing results, especially if the sky is clearly separated from buildings or trees. With the image selected, choose Edit Photo from the top toolbar, then look for Magic Edit. This is Canva's AI-powered tool that can replace or add elements in a selected area. If you don't see it at first, scroll through the editing options or search for Magic Edit in the effects panel. Now, take the brush and paint over the entire sky you want to replace. Use a larger brush to cover big areas quickly, and zoom in with a smaller brush where the sky meets roofs, trees, or mountains. Try to avoid painting over foreground objects. If you do, use the eraser to clean up the mask. A neat selection here will save you time later and help the AI blend the new sky more naturally. Click Continue and describe the sky you want. Keep your prompt short, specific, and consistent with the scene. For example, soft golden hour clouds, deep blue sky with light cumulus, or dramatic stormy sky with darker tones. Think about the direction of light in your photo. If the scene has warm evening light on the subject, a sunset sky will look more believable than midday blue. Click Generate. Canva will create several AI options for you. Preview each one and choose the version that blends best with your foreground. If you notice halos around trees or a mismatch in lighting, go back, refine your selection, or regenerate for more choices. Iterating once or twice usually produces a clean, realistic composite. After you apply the selected sky, stay in Edit Photo to refine the overall look. A quick color enhancement can make everything cohesive. Lightly adjust temperature to warm up sunsets or cool down blue skies, nudge exposure and contrast for clarity, and use highlights and shadows to balance bright skies against darker foregrounds. Gentle saturation or vibrance adds punch without making colors look fake. Make small moves and compare before and after as you go. That's it. Log in, select your image, use Magic Edit to mask and describe the sky, generate options, and finish with subtle color tuning for a polished result. Happy editing.